So check it out. I found this auction on eBay of 333, and it was in pieces. The wheels were all off, but they were there, and the armature was out of it. It was about completely disassembled, but I noticed that the crank was there, the eccentrics were there, everything was there except I think the only thing missing were the brushes, and there was one idler gear that was missing. But I was able to get the parts and get the armature back in, get the wheels on it. I got the wheels pretty straight. There's not much wobble to them. And because it was a smoker, I bought it. And so I packed the smoke unit with a little house insulation to make it smoke better. And so I got it running really good. It's got a really good smoke unit in it. So I thought I'd take it for a spin. I've got it behind my work train, so here we go. That's got a really good smoke unit in it. The house insulation acts as a wick and it keeps the fluid from leaking out and just makes them smoke better. And as I like to do, we'll pick the camera up and follow it around, and this time around, here it comes. Really happy with it. It's running really smooth. When you put the wheels back on these, you have to make sure that they're all lined up properly, or otherwise it'll jam. Smoke unit's still working great. I use Mega Steam. That works about the best in these Marx locomotives that I've ever found. And we'll set the camera back down. A little whistle maybe. And we'll test the reverse unit. Got a good headlight too. All right. Okay, got it running really smooth. It probably needs a little more brake-in, so I'll do a little more running to get the new motor brushes seated properly and get them worn in good. But other than that, I just had to clean up the shell a little bit and got the motor back together, and it runs great, and you never have too many 333s. I really like them, and I think they're one of the nicest locomotives that Marx made. And so thanks again for watching. God bless. Never forget, Jesus is Lord.